Today we are showing how to download Microsoft Windows operating system and Office ISO. Open browser and go to this website. Website link is given description. Now showing download image version of Windows and Office. In download Windows and Office it's showing available version of images. Now we are download Windows 11. Select your version. Then following my steps download Windows 11 from Microsoft. Select edition and language type like English. Then click download file and waiting some moment for starting downloading ISO. Depends of your internet bandwidth, it's take time.
Please subscribe my channel and like this video.